Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Chic for Cheap, and this is hosted by Christi over Christi Creates and co-hosted by Betsy over Cutting Corners Vinyl. I'll leave the links of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. This is the final reveal of my project, you guys. I'm so excited and happy how this turned out. And this is Anthropologie inspired planter. Like you saw the price, it was $24 on their website, and I wanted to recreate using Dollar Tree items, and I'm very happy of the end result. Like you saw the process, that was one of the buckets, the red bucket, and I painted gray color. I mixed white and black chalk paints together and I got this color. And using caulk, I mixed a little bit of school glue and white paint, and using stencils from Dollar Tree, I just applied that paste on top of that stencil and stencil out these designs. And I must say I enjoyed doing this. I love all the designs that came out in that stencil. If you can see that. Yeah, and I wanted to stuff some of my greenery and some white flowers. And I also created a small bow using twine, and just to give like a farmhouse look to it. I'm extremely happy with this end result. I hope you also like it. Let me know your thoughts on this. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. So the Anthropologie price was $24. Mine, I would say $3 to $4. And it's definitely a must-try project. So let me know your thoughts on this. And I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.